Ever been in a meeting where someone takes forever to get to the point? That's when you say, cut to the chase. This phrase means to skip the build-up and go straight to the important part. It's used when time is limited or when someone is dragging things out unnecessarily. We don't have much time, so let's cut to the chase. Instead of small talk, she cut to the chase and asked for help. His email was long, but the last line finally cut to the chase. It's a quick way to tell someone, get to the point. So where does it come from? The phrase actually goes back to old silent films in the early 1900s. Back then, audiences loved the chase scenes, the exciting moments when characters ran, fought, or escaped. But many movies had long, slow introductions with endless talking scenes. Directors and screenwriters were told, cut to the chase, skip the boring stuff and get to the action. Over time, that Hollywood instruction became an everyday idiom. Now it doesn't mean a literal chase scene, it just means skip the fluff and go straight to what matters. It's casual, but useful in both work and personal situations. In professional settings, it works best in a light or polite tone, otherwise it can sound impatient. So what's something in your life you wish people would cut to the chase about? Drop it in the comments. And next time someone is taking way too long to make a point, you know the perfect phrase to use. See you next time in Between the Words.